We're packed up. Do you guys like my retainer? Oh, we need to change the battery too. Cool. The only thing that makes this intro different than usual airplanes is I'm wearing a retainer. Dark out. The eagle has landed. The eagle has landed. Just two girls by themselves. I know, this is like, we don't go places by ourselves. It's kind of creepy right now. Oh god. We gotta make sure we lock all of our doors. I'm scared. Good morning, everybody. Gotta start out the morning with some water. All right, guys, day 2. We took the day off yesterday to vlog just to, you know, get settled in with jet lag because it was a long journey. And now we'll show you around. Have I showered yet since being here? No. Do I probably smell? Yes. Is my hair really dirty? Absolutely. Absolutely. Do we want to know that? No. Applesauce and your oatmeal tastes like pie. Pumpkin pie spice. Doot, 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 doot. We just filmed an ASMR haul on our ASMR twins
all
family.
All of our groceries for the trip.
I'm not gonna lie, it feels weird to talk in a normal voice now, but we're gonna link that in the description. We got some oats. We got some corn tortillas for the rice and beans.
But don't show everything, they have to watch the link.
Oh.
Don't show everything, because
okay, I won't show everything. You can watch the haul to see everything we buy. It's time to show you guys our
house.
Hawaii house tour.
Welcome to the house. Here's the front door. Open it up. Okay, and so we got some kind of retro looking
stone.
Tile. It's not stone.
You're right.
It's tile. See the downstairs. We have
a bathroom. Literally have not used this bathroom yet.
We have not used, but our friends are coming in a few days so they can use it. The family room, we got a beautiful plant right here.
Okay, show them how comfy the couch is.
Oh, whoa.
Right? Sometimes couches can be the worst at Airbnbs, but this is nice.
This is amazing.
Look at this deck.
And I like the decor right here too, because there's like, look, there's just pictures of plants and hummingbirds.
Very nice and spacious.
And
cute
here's
ceilings.
The TV that we don't know how to turn on because Randa and I literally don't know how to get the TV.
The cable, we know how to turn it on.
We know how to turn it on, but the cable and the Netflix, like I need someone to help me with that.
I'm gonna wait for Willie.
And then we have a room that no one has slept in because this house is too big for us.
Very nice.
And then we walk up the little steps right here.
This is a very big space. I love all the light coming in.
Should we show them the deck actually?
Yeah, let's show them the deck.
Show them the deck. There's a few decks.
We haven't even been out here on the deck yet.
This is crazy. Welcome to the patio. We can sit here, have some mimosas that we never drink. Oh, and it's actually sunny right now.
Very beautiful. And the sound of the ocean when you're sleeping is amazing.
Yeah, we keep the windows open so you can hear the ocean. Then we come up to this deck. And we have some more. Actually, this color is one of my favorite colors. I want to make my house this color someday.
Sandy blue.
And yeah, it's a sandy blue, and we have more. But this will be great for when our friends come because we can all have breakfast here in the morning. And it's really cool too when it rains because you can just listen to the rain. They're like, can you shut the f up? Let's go. We come into this door that I bet is locked.
It's not.
That's sketchy. Because we probably slept with that unlocked. Great.
We definitely did. Check out
we
the
have
kitchen.
Another couch
that we have not started yet.
It is also comfortable.
This would be a good photo op, actually.
Give me a like on Instagram. Like, where should I like pose on this couch? Do you want to show them the kitchen?
Yeah. It's so colorful. It's my favorite colors.
It's so big and grand. No, but really, this is really nice.
And it's a little messy.
Spacious. I love even the color of the cabinets and stuff.
And this color, this is just my favorite color scheme.
They did a nice job on the decor. Okay, check this out. Here's our fridge. Got lots of vegetables.
It's super, well, not lots.
Not lots.
We're gonna get to need more.
We've already eaten some of them, okay?
And I love that you could just see the jungle from the window. And they got a nice little Buddha.
All right, follow me upstairs.
I love how we're doing this like,
come on.
They're gonna be like, are you serious? Guys, I feel like
is real.
I feel like people don't understand our humor and they're like, you're just cringy. I'm like, no, we're joking.
It was a joke. It was supposed to be cringy. I think people think that it's
well, no, don't explain it. Don't explain it.
No, they think that we don't know we're being weird. We know. We know.
That's the whole point.
But they think we're being serious, I think.
Okay, so then we got more of this towel.
It's a little messy.
This is where we sleep. It's super messy. But I kind of made the bed, Mom. Check this out, Mom. I kind of made it since I knew we were gonna film.
Bed. Legit, haven't even sat in this.
Wow. We've been here for like 2 days and we haven't sat in these chairs.
This is pretty epic.
We could just stay here.
Honestly, we don't need to leave this house.
And I'll be in that chair. This is super romantic. Wait, you have to show them the best part of the house.
All right, super.
Oh wait, and there's also a deck out here.
Okay, we don't need to show them that. Come here.
That's not a deck, but there's another deck.
Guys, this bed is super comfy. Oh, we even got a desk.
This is where we'll be editing this video probably, right?
Come in, Mom.
I like this little, this is our bathroom.
Check it out, guys.
They got more of this like retro tile.
Okay, look, we got a shower there. That's pretty cool, right?
I love that the windows are open. You can hear the birds in the rain when you're showering, and the tile. And then we got a bathtub. We actually couldn't find a hot tub last night, so what did we do?
We filled up the bath.
We took a bath.
Yeah. All right, we also got a steam room over here. Yes. Ask me if I know how to work it. I don't.
I bet we could figure it out. We'll have Brett help us.
I don't.
And we have a huge closet that we are never gonna use.
Okay, look at the view from this way. I love the view.
I know, like I just never want to leave the house. Oh my god.
And look, we got an extra bed.
I feel like Mom and Dad are gonna watch this video and be like, why are they like doing that voice?
Come on, we're joking around.
We're joking.
Guys. The cringe is real, we know it. Now, let's go.
Let's head to the beach. We're not gonna show the front of the house for safety purposes, but look at the front. Don't show the actual front, but here's the plants. And then, welcome to our backyard. We can play soccer! We should get like a volleyball and play volleyball. Oh yeah, I should get my Zog shirt. Let's do that. Some more space over here. This is awesome. Right here. I think this is part of our backyard. I'm not really sure. We walk here. Oh, see, wait, we can use that pathway. We have a pathway. The wonderful, wonderful ocean that we hear when we sleep. Which the first night actually really scared me. Me too. I'm used to it now. It's kind of intimidating. You know what I was thinking actually today is I think the reason the ocean is so relaxing is it's kind of like the breath of Earth. You know, it's like, oh wow, true. You know, it's like the sound hypnotic. Of breathing. They say there's scientists are studying that the sound of waves and watching waves is hypnotic and it kind of puts people in a trance and it relaxes people like in this meditative state. It reminds me of like breathing. Like you have to follow the flow of the ocean. And if you want to see more woo-woo stuff from us, ASMR channel, link down below. All right, let's head up. Let's go. Just cause, yeah. Boom. Oh, thank you. We're popping out of the driveway. We're here to Toko! Oh my gosh, it smells fresh and amazing. Hello. Yay. Good, how are you?
And whenever you guys are ready, everything starts right down here.
Okay. Perfect, thank you.
Are you guys playing?
Yeah.
I want to say.
Whoa! Let's get a photo right here. Holy! Wow. Oh my goodness. It's like Disneyland, but for plants, right?
Really?
Yep. I've never seen water this green, other than wheatgrass. The 5 senses, you really pay attention to what you smell, to what you hear, to how things feel. It's easy to do that when you're here. It's easy to do that when you're here, and actually if you're like feeling stressed or anxious, that's one of the best things you can do is stop and pay attention to your surroundings. Because it helps you, what you're tasting, it helps you get more into the moment. Yeah, no, actually it's a way to reduce anxiety. One thing I want to add too is that even when you're eating your food, really appreciate the taste and focus on it because then you just enjoy it more. Another main thing is like focusing on your breath.
feel like when I hear the ocean, I hear the birds, and I see the screen, I see these trees, it just makes it so easy to just be. And really what we all are on this earth is just plants with more complicated emotions. If we could learn to be like the trees, learn to be like the leaves, and just be, we'd be a lot happier. I know life's not that simple, but it could be for a moment. Does that make sense? Maybe. Guys, we're heading to a resort, but first, it's time to eat. And what's packed in here, I know you guys are dying to know. It is, guess, you guessed it in the comments, rice and beans and vegetables. Oh my god. It's like summer! Wow, spiralized noodles. Raw. Wait, we're eating a raw meal right now. We're eating a raw meal. Show them dessert. Banana ice cream. We just ate raw. Yeah. Raw meal, wow. What is life? And what are we doing, Nina? What are we doing?
Instagramming.
Now having second dinner! Yay! What you doing?
We didn't want to eat fully raw, so we got some rice, because I like it.
Mate, I'm sunburned! No! I feel like we're sunburned. We just finished 2 dinners. I'm still hungry because we ran 5 miles before this, and fun little story, we didn't have our vlog camera. We were ordering from that place, the Bodhi Tree, which by the way, amazing food, great.
Definitely good.
And we were like,
do the beans have any oil in it?
Is there any oil in the beans? And then we said, is there any oil in the rice? So we just kept asking.
They're like, by any chance, are you guys Nina and Randa? Like, only they recognize us because of the oil thing.
They recognize us.
They also say because of our buns.
Because they said, yeah, it's like, who else asks if there's oil and stuff other than us? But okay, guys, the vlog has started, which means we have to say hi. Look who got here. Who we picked up from the airport today. Willie, it's his birthday tomorrow. Woo! So we're here to celebrate in Hawaii. All right, Randa, so where did you take us?
Rainbow Falls.
So there's gonna be a waterfall. I think you left the car on for sure.
Jesus.
No, I think.
No, it sounds like it's on.
Yeah, is it push to start?
And now it's off, guys. Woohoo. Mom and Dad are gonna love watching that. And this is the entrance, wow. Oh, hey. Sweet.
Delta Gamma.
A brisk walk. I like the stairs though. I feel like we're not walking on the trail. This doesn't seem right. Of course I wore sandals.
Great thought.
2, 1. Ah!
Good job, guys. What does that say? Area closed. Do not go beyond this sign. It's too late for that. Look at the little walkway. Is it cold?
It's alright, it's not terrible.
How is it?
Cold. It's warm out there.
It's warmer out there?
Yeah.
Look, our shoes float.
No, I know
For
how
anyone
football's
who was
good.
wondering.
Thank you.